Hey there, Paul Rhodes with another Maintenance Mindset Minute. Where new refrigerants are concerned, they are mildly flammable. That's what the A2L designation means. Stress the mildly. But the fact that it is flammable requires us as technicians to become aware of what tools we're using. Yes, you can go online. Chances are your supplier will have a list of what tools you need to change and what you need to be aware of. But there's one addition I want to make that I'm not seeing on many of the changeover lists, and that is a fire extinguisher. First of all, I'm going to stress again, we're talking about a mildly flammable substance. That means you have to try hard to actually cause it to ignite. Once it is ignited, it will propagate, in other words, move across the floor, move across and combust at a very, very slow rate. Actually, 10 centimeters per second, just a hair over that. You could probably walk across the floor faster than the flame would spread. But there is flame. Maintenance technicians, please, in your truck, on your cart, in your bucket, in your tools, have with you a fire extinguisher. If you're working with R32 or R454B, please take the necessary safety with you. Yes, it will be rare, but not impossible. Take care of yourself, take care of your residents, and take care of your building. Add that one little tool to your toolbox. Thanks. Stay tuned for more.